You're impossibly strong.
You gotta give me some answers.
I'd rather hear your theories.
I have considered radioactive spiders and kryptonite.
It's all superhero stuff, right? What if I'm not the hero? What if I'm the bad guy?
So Twilight has been a huge success in the US. What is it about the film that caught the imagination of the American public, do you think?
I think what it is we haven't had very many like epic love stories in a way, or just even maybe you could even say an intimate epic love story where you feel like you're with these two people that love each other so much that they're willing to face like danger, you know, all the problems just to be together.
And Kristen and Robert obviously look very natural together on screen. Are you pleased with the way they bonded?
Oh, yes. I mean, that was the most important thing for me when you read Stephanie's books. You're just in this relationship and you feel that they have to be together. So I had to find two actors that actually had that fascination and that, you know, attraction that would translate to the screen.
There's obviously comparisons with Harry Potter because they're both series of books and there's an element of the supernatural. Do you think that's a fair comparison?
Well, I think they're quite different, the two books, because Harry Potter, of course, had so many fabulous fantasy and special effects and cost 5 times what ours cost to make. But, you know, in a way, you know, yes, they are these compelling stories that you want to just keep watching and what's going to happen. Ours is more a little, I think maybe a little older, a little more mature.
And why do you think these kind of series of stories are becoming more popular, not just with children, but with teenagers and increasingly adults?
Well, I think it's once you fall in love with a character, then you want to know what's going to happen next, where can they go, and you really you relate to this person. I mean, like James Bond, too. You know, you wanted to read the next James Bond book or the next James Bond movie. So I think that, you know, it's just this connection to this other figure out there that you want to stay with them.
You've been a production designer in the past and worked on films like Vanilla Sky and Three Kings. Did you have an influence over how Twilight looked?
Oh, of course, yeah. I mean, from the very first meeting that I had with Summit, I walked in with all these pictures and a whole book that I'd made. Like, this could be the look of the world, you know, pale, beautiful vampires in this mossy rainforest. These are the kind of feelings I want to create.
And so, do you prefer production design or directing?
Oh, directing, because in directing you get to really work with the emotions of the characters, and you still are involved in production design. So directing just kind of takes it all over.
You are my life now.